हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल कॉमर्स नॉलेज। आज की वीडियो का टॉपिक है इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ इकोनॉमिक ऑर्डर क्वांटिटी, इट्स फॉर्मूला एंड प्रैक्टिकल सम्स। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द मीनिंग। इट इज द ऑप्टिमल ऑर्डर साइज to minimize all inventory cost. So what is meaning? It is an optimal order size to minimize all the inventory cost. So now let's go for the formula. First formula is economic order quantity. In short, we can say that EOQ. Formula is in the square root 2AO divided by C, where A is annual consumption, O stands for order cost and C stand for carrying cost per unit. Second formula is ordering level, or we can say the reorder level. Its formula is maximum consumption into maximum time. When we have to find the reorder level, then we use this formula, maximum consumption and maximum time. Third formula is maximum level. How to find maximum level? For this we have to apply this formula, reorder level minus minimum time into minimum consumption plus economic order quantity. So what is formula of the maximum level? It is a reorder level minus minimum time into minimum consumption plus economic order quantity. Our fourth formula is minimum level is equal to ordering level minus average consumption into average time. So what is formula for the minimum level? It is a ordering level, or we can say the reorder level minus average consumption into average time. Fifth formula is danger level. It is average uses into maximum time taken for emergency purchase. So what is formula for danger level? Average uses into maximum time taken for the emergency purchase. Sixth formula is safety level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum time minus average time. Okay, so what is formula for safety level? It is equal to maximum consumption into maximum time minus average time. Now go for the seventh formula, that is average time. So what is average time? It is a maximum time plus minimum time divided by 2. So when we have to find the average time, we have to apply the formula maximum time plus minimum time divided by 2. Now go for the eighth formula, that is average consumption is equal to maximum consumption plus minimum consumption divided by 2. So what is formula for average consumption? Is equal to, it is maximum consumption plus minimum consumption divided by 2. Now let's see the questions. From the following information, calculate the EOQ. Material consumed 10,000 units. Cost of placing an order rupees 50. Cost of goods per unit rupees 2. Storage expenses of a unit 8% on average stock. Now see the solution. First put the formula. What is formula? EOQ is equal to 2AO divided by C, where A is equal to annual consumption, which is given in question. How much? 10,000 units. Next one is O. It is a stand for the placing an order, ordering cost, which is given rupees 50. Then C, it is given carrying cost per unit is equal to rupees 2. Now put this information in the formula. 2 into, instead of A we put 10,000 into ordering cost is rupees 50 divided by C is equal to carrying cost is given 2, and another information is given storage expenses of unit 8%. So we take directly 8% is equal to 0.08. Now solve this. It is 2 into 10,000 into 50 is equal to 10 lakh divided by 2 into 0.60. So 10 lakh divided by 0.60 is equal to 62 lakh 50,000. Okay, now square root of this one is 2500 units. So EOQ is equal to 2500 units. This is our final answer.